Welcome to OnboardInc, the simplest online employee onboarding platform for remote workers. You'll use this platform to not only speed up your onboarding, but also to access tools and resources needed on day one to be successful. Let's go ahead and get started as an employee. If you've been invited by your employer, you'll see an invite code which you can click to easily sign up to gain access to our app. When you're inside the app, you'll see this tutorial video which you are likely watching right now. In the employee details section, you'll be able to confirm your email, role, and wage details. In the next section, you'll be able to see your direct manager, your direct team, and the remaining company roster. You can also click on individual LinkedIn profiles to get to know the people you'll be working with. In the company details section, you'll get to understand your company's primary industry, subcategory, company motto, as well as what your company does specifically. This will help you understand your company a bit more and what they stand for. Next, you'll see expectations across all employees, as well as expectations specifically related to you. In the next section, you'll be able to access resources, which are essentially hyperlinks to company documents and tools that will set you up for success. If there are any issues, including access issues, you'll be able to easily email your assigned manager directly from the platform. Day-to-day widgets are similar to resources, but instead of hyperlinks, we have customizable text for varied subjects, such as filling in timesheets, which we know is everyone's favorite. As a bonus feature, we've added company and public bookmarks specific to your industry. These are private to your company or public for the wider OnboardInc community, as we know sharing is caring. Employers and employees alike can upvote or downvote bookmarks. The best solutions will show up at the top for your convenience. Industry tips are similar to bookmarks, but without hyperlinks. They are simple tips from your industry peers, such as compiling your workspace to save time for other important events. Perfect. Now you'll be able to confirm you've reviewed all onboarding materials so your direct manager can move forward with officially onboarding you. Once that step is complete, you're ready to set sail. Happy onboarding.